In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer. If you've pasted text from the web or received a document with clickable links you don't need, this quick method will let you keep the text while removing the link behind it. We're not deleting the words, we're simply stripping out the click action so your document reads cleanly and prints without distracting underlines. First, launch LibreOffice Writer on your computer. Give it a moment to start up so all menus are available. Next, open the Writer file that contains the hyperlink you want to remove. You can use the Recent Documents list or browse to your file. Either way, make sure the document is open and visible on your screen. Now locate the linked text inside your document. Hyperlinks usually appear in a colored, underlined style, and when you move your mouse over them, you'll often see a tooltip or your cursor may change to a hand icon. Gently hover over the exact word or phrase that's linked so you're aiming directly at the hyperlink itself. This helps ensure the correct menu options appear in the next step. With your mouse positioned over the hyperlink, right-click to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same as a right-click. In that menu, choose Remove Hyperlink. As soon as you select it, the link is removed while the text remains. You should notice that the text is no longer clickable. If the color or underline persists, that's just formatting in the document. The clickability is gone, which is what we wanted. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you accidentally left-click and the link opens in your browser, simply return to LibreOffice Writer and try again, making sure to right-click directly on the linked text. If you have multiple hyperlinks in the same document, repeat the same action on each one at a time, for precise control. When you're finished, save your document so the changes stick the next time you open it. For shared documents, removing unwanted links can prevent accidental clicks, especially during presentations or when exporting to PDF. Remember, you're only changing how the text behaves, not its wording or placement on the page. And if you change your mind, you can always undo. That's all there is to it. You launched LibreOffice Writer, opened your file, hovered to target the link, and used the context menu to remove the hyperlink while keeping the text intact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your documents clean and professional.